you on your videos anyway, I will check. Don't worry. See, first you can submit complete part A. Don't bother about the answers. This is only mock test. You can options. You can choose whatever may be option. If you know correct option, you can choose. If it is not there, also you don't worry about the option. Then part B is what uploading. Add file an option is there. First you can complete on your notes. Scan it. You can upload as a single file. You getting or not? Any doubt?
No,
Are you able to hearing me? Huh? First you can complete session A, then only go for session B. Otherwise you are not able to go. So start do. If you have any complaint problem, you can call me. Then you can directly talk from Google GCR.
Sir,
Only
one
49
question.
members are for.
Sir, one question.
Yes, tell me.
So will the results of the mock affect our main results in any way? Or,
Nothing.
okay.
It won't affect it. But you can write, if you know correct answer, better you can choose correct answer. But
Yes, sir.
uploading also, we know how to are uploading. That is a training only for you for tomorrow examination.
Tomorrow?
Getting
Sir,
or
where
not?
are the questions?
Yes.
Where are the questions, sir?
You can Google form, you can open, sir. First on your video. Alan Stephen, you're not on your video.
Yes.
On your video.
Yes, sir. It's on.
I'm not able to see your face. Google form, you can check it's there, you see. Question pair, one by one, you can scroll. First, you can fill your name and everything. Then, while uploading session, every paper you can write your name and register number, full register number, RA like this. How correctly can write 211 or something is clearly can write, don't miss the digits. With RA you can start, name and register number, every paper you can write and scan. You can upload as a single file.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
On all of you on your videos. Randomly I will pin if you're not there miss. $109 left actually. Aditya Davlikar, you are in space. Nice.
Unknown caller.
Hello. ఓకే సార్ అది మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు సార్ యాక్చువల్గా మీరు మెన్షన్ చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా ఆ పేపర్లు అన్నీ 15 పేపర్లు రిటర్న్ వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ అది లేట్ అవుతుంది ఓకే సార్ ఓకే సార్ వేర్ ఇట్స్ గో యువర్ స్పేస్ యార్ నైస్ But examination I cannot allow, sir. Yashwardhan Singh. My camera is not turning on. Can I rejoin? Okay, but once if you opened means what? Once it's submitted means story over. Only one time only submission. Somebody lefting away. Everything is noted down here. Who is inside classroom? Who is not there? We can see nicely. Hmm.
Excuse me, sir. I just joined. Where can I join for the exam or something? Where can I get the link?
What? First on your video. Aditya
Yes, sir.
Somalapuram.
Yes, sir.
What you want?
Sir, I want the link for the examination actually. I mean for the mock test.
You want it? Yeah.
The link.
See, in classroom, one mock test heading is there. There on Google form is there that you can click means you can open and write every data I can give. So answer should be part A. All answers should be answered. Then only you can go for part B. Correct? Huh? In classroom,
Okay.
you see. Okay. 106. Aditya. Not
Yes, sir.
answering.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm seeing you only. Okay,
Yes,
clear?
sir. I've opened
Go
it.
to,
Yeah.
go to. Yeah. Now clear. Yeah.
Okay.
Carry on. Actually, headphones are not allowed, but this time, okay, Ayush Goyal headphones, earphones are not allowed.
Sir, could you please mute yourself? There's a lot of feedback.
Normally, headphones and earphones are not allowed actually in examinations.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but you can carry on now, no problem. Balaji, yes.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow you want that.
Okay. Benchit TP on your video. 26. Benchit.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Do. See, don't wait for me. After I'm instructions, don't do. You do work properly. Everyone, not only this guy. Don't wait for me. Do nicely job actually. Don't wait for anyone. Very good. Nice. Devanarayanan Ramson on your video 111, 1111, 1111. Devanarayanan, are you there? Everyone should be in GC, actually in classroom. I will note it down though who are living in. Okay, sir. Right, sir. Devanarayanan. Okay. Dhruv Chauhan on your video 101. Dhruv Chauhan.
Sir, my video is on.
But I'm not able to see your face. I'm pinning you actually. Now we are on screen, full screen. Now I'm able to see. Very good. Vattukutti Hari left. Very good. Hey, carry on, sir. You can carry on. Don't wait for me. If you have any problem, you can call me or ask me. Hariharan Tangarajan on your video. 88. Hariharan Tyagarajan, sorry. Hariharan, are you there? Hariharan. Yeah, I am traveling. Okay, but can't you on the video? But in examination means you can sit at one place and write actually. Don't travel here and there in main examinations. Because this is class hour actually. Class hour means should be you can stay at one place. It's not a holiday for you. You are working in college only actually. You have college like this, you can feel. Okay, no problem. Main exam properly can write, no problem. No need sorry for me. I'm not expecting any sorry. Just I'm informing. Traveling, if you're in disconnected, connect means what, net means for you only problem. K. Manoj Kumar 116 on your video. Manoj Kumar 116.
Sir, on the
On. Very good. Part B you can upload as a single file. Both questions you can write in file, scan it, make it as a single file, then upload. Every paper you should write your register number and name on every side of the paper.
Sir, do we have to upload as a PDF or a PNG? Or as a image?
PDF. Upload better PDF. Only PDF.
Okay. PDF only. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Ping means what will go not go for a most file length should be more.
Okay, sir.
Kader NIR 20 on your video. Kader NIR 20.
on.
No, I am not able to see your face.
Sir, it is on. Really, it is on.
No, yeah. Yes. Backside or t-shirt, black t-shirt, beer, everything now I able to see. Right. Now good. Right. Carry on. Pranav Ilangavan on your video 80, list number 80. Pranav Ilangavan. Pranav. Okay, sir. Shivam Gorpadi, 89, on your video. Reach number 89. Yes. Okay, okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I had a doubt. Sir, the question we have to solve and submit. If we are
Yeah.
missing a step, will you cut marks or we have marks for steps?
Steps you have to do.
No, no, sir. If a single step is missing, so you will cut marks or you
That's
will
the we'll
give,
see.
you will grant.
If you see, if you know you are missing, if you know miss or don't miss, unknowingly if you miss, I will take care. Because now only if you know you want to miss, don't miss. Okay, yeah?
No, no, sir. If
Got it.
unknowingly we miss.
Unknown miss, I will take care. Don't worry. What you know, you can write. That
Yes,
I will
thank
take
you.
care. But you don't know whether it is you missed or not. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
If
sir.
you know you miss, don't miss. Reaching or not,
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm telling you. Yes, carry on. Already one by submitted. Who is that guy?
Sir, I accidentally submitted, sir.
Then Goinda, your chapter closed. You are not able to do anything. Trishar, are you able to open again?
No, sir.
So tomorrow don't do. These all are experience. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
You have to upload only session A completed. No, session B not completed. So see, tomorrow if you do like this one.
Sir, in part B, should we just scan our papers and then upload it?
Yes, what?
In part B, should we just scan our papers and upload it?
Yeah, scan, then that PDF file you can upload.
Okay, sir.
So, what is it? How much time do we have?
Up to 1 hour given. We can try actually this. We have 4 5 up to.
Oh.
This is only mock test only. How we are doing, we want to see.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, section B we have to
Tell me,
upload
sir.
in GCR, no?
What?
Section B we have to upload
What you
in
want?
GCR, no? Section B.
Session B, you have to upload after completing session A only, you can be able to go session B. Session B, do your paper, then scan and upload as a PDF single file, all questions.
In GCR, no, sir?
Then you can submit. Yeah, not GCR. There one
Then?
option is there is a upload file.
Okay, sir.
If you upload GCR, I don't give the marks in exams actually. There one option is there is a upload file. That button
So
you can
this
click, you
part
can
B,
upload. Yeah, part B.
we have to write and then submit, upload.
Yeah. Right, then you can scan.
Okay.
Reaching or not? First you can write on paper, you can scan, make it as a PDF file, then upload button you can click, there you can upload. Don't upload separately that. If you upload, it is not valid. In the upload file, where is upload, there you can upload. Tushar, are you there? Tushar,
Yes, sir.
you can able to access again, you see?
No, sir.
No, because once submitted means not welcome.
Jugarshi, can you please mute yourself?
So can we do like use the laptop for webcam and give paper through mobile?
What?
use the laptop or webcam and give paper through mobile, because we can scan only through mobile.
Yeah, mobile, you can use mobile, scan it.
Okay.
Through mobile, you can scan actually any Adobe scan, some use, you can make it as a single file. From there, you can upload. But tomorrow exam, all you can prepare before examination, all you can sit in examination now.
So we have match tomorrow.
Tomorrow means that sense when is the examination is there. That is when is your second order will be examination, no? Day order 2.
So we haven't got any schedule actually. That's it.
When is your examination actually? That is
So
on
the
Tuesday.
no schedule has been given to us. No schedule.
Tuesday you have exam, sir.
I don't know.
Not Tuesday, no, sorry. You are C2, you know. C slot, you know. C1.
No, sir. B. Slot C1,
B.
sir.
You are a B slot. Day order 2 you will have. Our 2 hours class is there, you know. That is Monday, I think so. Day order 2. 12:30 to what is this? 1:20 you have exam. That's why you are keeping mock test. Yes.
So by mistake, I just clicked back and the paper got submitted or something. I'm not able to open it again.
Once it is submitted, collapse. Story
Sir, I
over.
didn't click submit. I was just scrolling down and it just I clicked the back button by mistake and it
Back
just
button
submitted.
I don't. What is your name?
Yashovardhan Singh, 107, sir.
What is the number?
107.
107 not submitted. Check again.
So it says you need permission.
Back it won't go, sir. Again, you can once if you submit it, come to the part B.
So can I share my screen?
Sure.
Just a second, sir.
No, sir. Same is me.
Can you see my screen? Sir?
Wait. What is coming?
So it says you need permission.
You need to change your email address to SRM, the SRM ID.
SRM ID only submitted?
Sir, no,
sir.
one-time form actually. I think if we submit it, the owner has to revoke it so that we can go into it again.
Sir, I've submitted.
Same is me,
No,
sir.
what is coming actually?
Yes, sir.
What is showing?
So it is showing you need permission.
You are not able to open the file.
No, sir.
What happened? You submitted maybe, I think so. Wait. I have not received here. Again, you can click the test and write and see. Nobody is faced like this problem.
So it is just giving me an option of learn more and nothing else.
You can send me that screenshot actually. You said you are in traveling, you know?
No, sir, I am not traveling. I am at home only, sir.
Oh. Send screenshot. I will tell you what's the problem. I don't know.
Yes, sir. Same is
Hello,
me.
sir. I have submitted my paper.
Sir, shall I share on the group only?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir.
No, no,
Just
now
a
not grouping, not group, don't group. Wait. Separately can send me.
Okay, sir. Just a second, sir.
Hello. Prakash, அது submit பண்ணலையா but வந்து back to for the what is telling Ashwardhan, tell me what is giving. You're
So
not
it
able
says
to.
you need permission.
You need you need permission ஏதோ வருது actually உங்களுக்கு. ஒரு பையனுக்கு மட்டும். எதுல? Sir, you join with SRMIST mail ID or another mail ID?
Sir, I need to check, sir. Just a second, sir.
Maybe your mobile maybe linked with your Gmail means what that may be typed.
Sir, I'm using both my IDs. I have saved both my IDs. I don't know if it was my SRM ID or
SRM ID only it will open actually Google form.
So I
Are
need
you
to.
able to see the question paper actually first?
No, sir. I sent you a screenshot, sir.
Okay. நான் ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் அனுப்புறேன் பிரகாஷ் பாருங்களேன் கொஞ்சம்.
Hello, sir. I have submitted the test.
Submitted both you are done, huh?
Yes, sir.
What is your number?
074.
Yeah, received.
Sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
103. I have also submitted.
Yeah.
Sir, roll number
received.
24, I have also submitted.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
received.
Sir, it opened, sir. It
But
opened,
you
sir.
done. You done both or not, sir? Those who are submitted both you can complete and submit.
Sir, I've done both sections.
Seriously can do please because tomorrow examination again you face problem.
Okay.
These marks we cannot count actually. This practice purpose we are keeping a test. Open a sir Ashwardhan.
Yes, sir. It opened, sir. I refreshed the
Okay,
page and
okay.
it opened, sir.
Okay, ma.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Those other boy also can check, sir. That's why if you put in group means what everyone will tell same problem like this.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I can submit a paper, but part B is a remain.
What?
I
No, not in email, sir. That option is there, upload option. There you can upload scan file.
But sir,
Yeah, tell me. Scan, make it PDF file, single file, then upload in that file actually. Add file is there. There you can click there. That from there you can upload.
okay, sir.
Separately means we cannot.
Sir, I've submitted. Can you
Sir,
please
roll
check?
number 9 submitted.
Sir, you're muted.
Everything completed means you can submit, sir.
Yes, sir. Both sections completed.
Yes.
Please check 10.
And 9.
Sir, 101 completed.
Sir, you're muted again.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, can you please check if you've received mine? 10. Aditya.
10 received, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much, sir. Can I leave the meeting?
Wait.
Okay.
Sir, did you receive 101?
What number, sir?
101.
Received.
Sir, 73 also submitted, sir.
$73 received. But this 95, who is that 95? You are not mentioned Arya also. Like this, if you do, don't get the marks actually. Who is the 95?
Sir, 102 submitted, sir.
Hey, who is 95? Received, sir, 102.
We have to upload, sir.
Sir, roll number 9. Have you received?
95 received, but you are not mentioned RA. You should write properly your list number, you know.
Sir, I'm saying 9, not 95. 9.
95, who is 9 received, sir?
Sir, we
Okay,
should
sir.
upload, sir, PDF. The calculation.
What?
The part B, we have to upload the calculation, sir.
Yeah. Descriptive type, not MCQ. You have to solve the paper, you should write upload.
Sir, 17 submitted.
Wait, sir.
Sir, 18 submitted.
Yeah, 17, 18 I received. 23, 24 also received.
Sir, 98 submitted, sir.
Sir, 17 submitted.
Received.
Okay, sir.
98 submitted. C. Srikanth.
Yes, sir.
So can we leave?
Okay, can leave. Those are submitted, can leave.
Sir, attendance?
Attendance I will take from
Sir,
there.
06 submitted, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 3 submitted.
I have submitted, sir. I'm good. I'm leaving, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Submitted, sir.
Sir, 3 submitted. Did you get my assignment?
Sir,
What?
can we leave?
Yes. Those are submitted. Are you sure with you? You can leave it.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Sir, you want me taking attendance?
No. I will take. Don't worry.
Sir, did you receive my submission 03?
What?
My I submitted 03.
03, wait, I will check. Actually. So scrolling actually. Yeah, 0?
3.
Not received yet. Yeah, got it. Aryan Mohan.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
But who is 95? Shreyan Chakrabarti is there? He is there? Shreyan Chakrabarti.
Sir, 23.
Shreyan Chakrabarti is there? He is not written RA. See, you should remember your number properly. You should write RA. Start with RA. Full digits you have to write.
So 14 Balaji submitted. Sir.
So 79 submitted, sir.
Submitted means you can leave, sir. But properly you can write number. List number also not there means we don't correct next examination.
Sir, 23 submitted. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So 08 submitted. Sir.
Sir, 02 submitted, sir.
Yeah, received.
Thank you, sir.
82 also received. Tarun Sarath.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, both parts you can do and go leave. Don't hurry. Because tomorrow examination you can't.
So can I leave the class? Yes,
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, 05 submitted.
So 97 submitted.
Submitted means you can leave.
111 submitted.
The 110 submitted.
Sir, 109, sir.
Huh?
109 submitted.
So 105 submitted.
Submit means leave. But anyone inform to Shreyan Chakravarti, ask him to call me immediately.
So 011 submitted, sir.
Yeah. Why Srikanth?
Yes, sir.
106 also received, 19 also received.
So
19
submitted.
submitted.
Huh? Yes?
106, so 106 submitted.
Yeah, I told you, no, 106 received, 19 also received.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Read well and come to the examination.
Sir, 26 submitted.
26 already I received, I think so I told. Yeah. Benchend TP. Okay.
Yes, sir. Can I leave, sir?
Sir, 90 submitted.
What?
Sir, 90 submitted.
What is the number?
90, sir. 90.
Yeah. Arvind R.
Yes, sir.
20 also received, 89 also received.
Sir, 89 also.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Actually, by 4-5 I will close actually. What is the time or class time? After that you are not able to do anything. What is time now? By 4:10 I will close. What is time up to our class timings?
Sir, up to 4-5.
4-5 crossed, yeah. Then I will close.
Sir, just a second, sir. I'm just uploading, sir.
Sir, I'm uploading as well.
Then I will close the responses. Then those who are not submitted, zeros like this tomorrow examination.
Sir, submitted.
40 members only I received, 45 members, 46 out of 74. Very bad.
Sir, 89 submitted.
Sir, 83.
Excuse me, sir. I'm not able to submit. I sent you a screenshot 5 minutes ago, sir.
What?
Can you please?
How?
Sir, I'm not able to submit, sir.
Why?
I don't know, sir. I sent you a screenshot on WhatsApp. Please check it once.
No screenshots actually. This already.
No. I sent a screenshot.
Everyone doing last minute. Don't tell like this. Not submitted like this.
Sir, can you see my
Sir,
responses?
83 completed, sir.
Sir, 80.
Sir,
Upload is
can
there.
you check 99's answer? I mean, can you see my answer?
Wait.
Sir, I submitted.
Sir,
What is
99 submitted, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 83 submitted, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 013 submitted.
Okay. Those are submitted. You can leave. No problem if you are confirmed with you.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, actually, I don't have a PDF creator. Can I just attach the pictures itself?
Pictures can you upload as a single file? All?
No, sir. I have to add 2 files.
Because if only one file only will getting, I think so. Any add another file option is coming. Check.
Sir, did you get mine?
Add more files coming. Okay. Yeah. What is that? What happened? Everything okay? Ayush Bidwar PDF. Okay. 829 point. Okay.
Did you receive it, sir?
Submitted.
Sir, did you get mine, Alan Stephen?
Number? I want to check.
04.
Sir, 89 also.
04 wait. Received. Alan Stephen.
Oh, okay,
Sir,
sir.
89.
Thank you.
I received 52. Received till date. Till now.
Sir, 89 submitted.
Can you wait 1 minute? I'm uploading.
Now, can I close? Time over. Lapse. It's very
Sir,
bad.
1 minute, sir. I'm uploading.
See,
Sir, it cannot
tomorrow you
submit.
have listen first. You have to do tomorrow 4 uploads and 13 1-mark question. This usually you are not able to do. Tomorrow how we will do next exam? It's very bad, yaar.
Sir, I've done that Google form, but I've submitted that PDF separately, like handed
No,
it.
no,
Right?
you cannot
Handed.
separate separately. On add files you can go, you can submit.
Sir, did you?
No. While correcting, I will see in your option the question paper answer sheet is there. We can give the mark. Otherwise, 0. Now I cannot check. Actually, I want to go separate each and every one. The link will be created in Google Drive. If for you one folder will be there, that will be available everything for you in your link, your answer sheet. Now I can't actually.
Sir, I have submitted it. You can check 89.
No. Now actually, now I want to stop actually. 4:11 now. It's too late.
Sir, already
did you receive
1
mine?
second, sir. 4 o'clock only I have submitted.
Can I close? Very bad.
Excuse me, sir.
1 minute.
Hey, bad yaar.
So it is not allowing more than one files.
One file only it's allowed. I told you, I can make a single file that see a light also posted instructions, everything, what you are doing.
Sir, I can just attach question 1, then I'll have to download the PDF creator. It will take time then, sir.
That's why now we can upload one file, sir. For tomorrow exam,
Okay,
you can prepare everything what you required, correct? Now don't worry.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay,
It
sir.
don't count
I'll
anything.
upload one file, sir, then.
One file you can upload, leave it. But now we understand you are able to upload only one file, But tomorrow you can prepare. Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I can't give any chance for you. This is only for what is the problem you will now come to know. So tomorrow you don't do. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Can I
Sir,
leave?
108 submitted, sir.
What?
So 91 also submitted. 91.
Malleeswar Abhiraj completed, ma?
Sir, 108.
1 second, sir. Uploading, sir.
Come
Sir,
on.
91 submitted.
Sir,
Ma'am,
107 submitted, sir. 107.
Submit means you can leave, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I
Thank
will check
you.
91.
Now actually I want to close. It's very late, very bad here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. 55 only submitted, very bad.
Thank you, sir.
Aditya submitted. Ayush Brindwar. Hey,
Sir, submitted, sir. Submitted, sir. Submitted, sir. Hello? Sir. It had submitted, sir.
What is your number? 115,
Yes, sir. 115, sir.
Okay.
Can I leave, sir?
Thank you.
112.
Ayush.
Sir, I'm not able to submit in PDF file. I'm submitting in PNG, sir.
But single file you can do. Why?
Yes, a single file only. I don't
PDF
know
you
why
can
I'm not able
sir.
to submit. I sent
Everyone
you a
is doing.
screenshot, sir.
What, sir? Tomorrow class you can prepare, sir. At least you can ask your friends how they are submitted. Correct? You should not face the problem in examination. That's what I'm telling again and again. Submitted.
Sir, did you receive mine, sir? Submitted, sir.
What is your number?
112, sir.
Yeah, received. Only 57 members, only 56 members only received. What about others?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm closing response then. Nobody will submit again.
Everyone left, sir. Only we both are in the class, I think.
Okay, you can leave. Do well next time. Actually, PDF also you can
Sir,
try.
I finished. I finished earlier, but I was not able to submit in PDF file. I don't know why.
That's
This is
why
the
next
first time
time you can
happening.
ask our friends, you can do. But PDF, Adobe Scanner or something you can download in your mobile, you can do. Correct?
Okay, sir. Sorry for this, sir.
Okay, no problem. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow, don't miss face the problem. That is my request. Here, it's not a no problem for me. I can stay up to 9 o'clock at night. But you should not face the problem in examination time. That I need always. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.